Imagine your garden facing both scorching summer heat and cold, soaking wet winters, a reality for many in the UK and Europe. Our unpredictable weather makes it tough to pick plants that truly thrive. Today, I'll share 11 climate-resilient plants that handle both extremes. Some may be familiar, others could transform your garden. Let's dive in and discover what makes these plants so robust. Let's begin our journey with the Mediterranean olive, scientifically known as Olea europaea. This iconic tree has been a symbol of peace, endurance, and abundance for thousands of years, gracing the landscapes of southern Europe and beyond. Today, it's making a stylish comeback in modern gardens, prized for both its beauty and resilience. The olive tree is instantly recognizable by its slender silvery green leaves that shimmer in the sunlight, creating a soft, calming effect in any outdoor space. These leaves not only add a touch of Mediterranean charm, but also reflect heat, helping the tree thrive in hot, dry climates. While olives are famous for loving the sun and tolerating drought, mature trees are surprisingly tough. They can withstand chilly, damp winters, provided their roots don't sit in water. In fact, it's the combination of sun and well-drained soil that keeps them healthy year-round. If your garden soil is heavy or tends to hold water, don't worry, you can still enjoy olives by planting them in containers, raised beds, or even on a sunny balcony. This flexibility makes them perfect for urban gardens and small spaces. To ensure your olive tree thrives, add a generous layer of grit or gravel at the base of the pot or planting hole. This simple step improves drainage and prevents the roots from becoming waterlogged, which is the main enemy of olives. Although olives grow slowly, their evergreen foliage provides year-round structure and interest. They make excellent focal points in the garden, offering a sense of permanence and tranquility. In hot summers, you might even be rewarded with clusters of small green or black olives. These fruits are not only beautiful but can also be harvested and cured at home, adding a personal touch to your culinary adventures. Mediterranean olives are perfect for patios, sunny courtyards, or as striking border features. Their sculptural form and subtle color palette complement both traditional and contemporary garden designs. The gnarled trunks and slender, shimmering leaves of olive trees provide year-round visual interest with very little maintenance. Their unique shapes tell a story of resilience and age, making each tree a living piece of art. For best results, plant your olive tree in a spot that gets full sun and has sharp drainage. Rocky slopes, gravel beds, or raised planters are ideal environments for these Mediterranean natives. If space is limited, choose a dwarf variety, or keep your olive tree compact with regular pruning. Even in a small pot, olives can thrive and bring a touch of the Mediterranean to your doorstep. Mediterranean olives prove that resilience is all about smart adaptation. With the right care, these rugged beauties will reward you with timeless elegance and a taste of the sun-drenched Mediterranean, no matter where you garden. Lavender is the very definition of resilience in the plant world. With its delicate purple blooms and unmistakable fragrance, it's easy to think of lavender as fragile, but this plant is anything but. It has evolved to survive and even thrive in some of the toughest garden conditions, making it a favorite for gardeners seeking beauty with minimal fuss. Thriving in poor, stony soils and full sun, lavender shrugs off drought and heat with remarkable ease. Unlike many garden plants that wilt in the summer sun, lavender's Mediterranean origins mean it actually prefers these challenging conditions. Its deep roots search out moisture, and its silvery leaves reflect sunlight, helping it conserve water. Lavender also copes with wet winters, provided you take care not to let its roots sit in soggy soil. Excess moisture is its only real enemy, so if your garden tends to stay wet, a little extra planning goes a long way. Ensure good drainage by mounding soil, using raised beds, or planting in containers filled with gritty compost. Terracotta pots are especially effective, as they allow excess water to evaporate quickly. Adding gravel or sand to your planting mix can make all the difference, keeping roots healthy and happy. After the beautiful blooms fade, cut back the stems to keep plants compact and bushy. This simple pruning not only encourages fresh growth but also helps maintain the plant's shape, preventing it from becoming woody and sparse over time. Lavender's fragrant flowers are a magnet for pollinators. Bees and butterflies flock to its blooms, filling your garden with movement and life. By planting lavender, you're supporting local wildlife and creating a vibrant, living landscape. Even in winter, lavender's silvery stems provide structure and subtle color to the garden. While many plants fade away, lavender stands strong, its foliage catching the frost and adding interest to the winter landscape. For gardeners in colder climates, English varieties like Hidcote or Munstead are especially reliable. These cultivars offer the best cold tolerance, surviving frosty nights and bouncing back each spring with renewed vigor. With just a little care, occasional pruning, well-drained soil, and plenty of sunlight, lavender rewards you with months of color, intoxicating fragrance, and a toughness that belies its delicate appearance. It's a classic for a reason. Lavender's timeless beauty and resilience have made it a staple in gardens for centuries, lining paths and borders with its lush, aromatic presence. Try it in borders, containers, or gravel gardens for year-round appeal. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a small patio, lavender fits right in, bringing elegance, scent, and resilience to any space. Eucalyptus brings a touch of the wild Australian outback right into your garden, instantly recognizable by its striking blue-green leaves that shimmer in the sunlight. These leaves aren't just beautiful, they're iconic, evoking images of vast, sun-drenched landscapes and the unique wildlife that calls Australia home. The eucalyptus is also famous for its peeling bark, which reveals smooth, colorful trunks beneath. These trees are true survivors, able to withstand harsh droughts, relentless winds, and even the occasional cold snap. Their resilience is legendary, but there's one thing they can't tolerate: soggy roots. Good drainage is absolutely essential for their health and longevity. If you're working with a smaller space, don't worry. There are compact varieties like Eucalyptus gunnii that are perfect for modest gardens or even large containers. Just make sure to plant them in well-drained soil, perhaps in a raised bed or a sunny border, to keep their roots happy and healthy. Regular pruning is key to keeping your eucalyptus in check. Not only does it help control their size, but it also encourages a flush of colorful new foliage, which can range from silvery blue to deep red, adding year-round interest and texture to your garden. The aromatic leaves release a refreshing scent when brushed or crushed, filling the air with a clean, invigorating fragrance. In winter, their glowing trunks and evergreen leaves provide a splash of color and interest, even on the coldest, grayest days. Eucalyptus trees are ideal for exposed sites, acting as natural windbreaks that shield your garden from harsh gusts. Their sturdy structure and flexible branches make them perfect for protecting more delicate plants and creating a sheltered microclimate. With thoughtful placement and regular care, eucalyptus trees can become the backbone of your garden, anchoring the landscape and providing beauty, shade, and structure for decades to come. Eucalyptus truly proves that with the right plant in the right place, you can enjoy a garden that thrives in both extremes, hot or cold, wet or dry. It's a testament to nature's adaptability and the enduring spirit of these remarkable Aussie survivors. Cistus, or rock rose, is a Mediterranean shrub built for tough climates. It thrives in sun, poor soil, and drought, yet handles winter wet if drainage is good. Plant on slopes, gravel gardens, or any sunny, free-draining spot. Cistus bursts into flower in early summer with blooms replaced daily. Needs almost no maintenance, just a light trim after flowering. Evergreen foliage gives year-round structure. Cistus is low maintenance, beautiful, and reliable. Phormium, or New Zealand flax, adds drama and structure with its bold, sword-like leaves. It's one of the hardiest plants for exposed, windswept sites, shrugging off salty winds, drought, and heavy rain. Deep roots and tough leaves make it perfect for coastal gardens. Available in a range of leaf colors, Phormium thrives in containers or open ground with good drainage. Maintenance is minimal, just remove old leaves. Over time, it forms a striking, low-maintenance clump, a living sculpture for any garden. Pittosporum quietly delivers evergreen structure and subtle beauty year-round. Adaptable to sun or shade, it copes well with wind and rain. Dense growth makes it ideal for screening, hedging, or adding depth. Tiny scented flowers appear in spring. Once established, Pittosporum tolerates drought and wet soils if drainage is reasonable. It responds well to clipping for formal or natural shapes. A versatile workhorse for any garden. Agave is the ultimate survivor, storing water in thick leaves to withstand drought. Many agaves handle wet winters if soil drains sharply. Use gravel, sand, or cactus mix. Raised beds or containers are safest in wetter climates. Full sun rewards you with bold architectural form. Virtually maintenance-free, just watch the spiky tips and remove dead leaves. Some produce dramatic flower spikes, but their sculptural presence stands out even without blooms. Agave proves tough environments can yield beauty. Viburnum tinus is a reliable evergreen, flowering in the depths of winter. Thriving through drought and winter wet, it's a backbone shrub for any garden. Glossy leaves provide year-round structure, while winter brings starry white flowers and blue berries. Tolerates a wide range of soils and conditions from sun to shade. Happiest in well-drained soil, but copes with occasional waterlogging. Minimal pruning keeps it dense and healthy. Hebes are versatile evergreens, perfect for modern gardens and containers. Their compact, glossy leaves and varied forms suit any space. Hebes tolerate wind, salt, drought, and cold, wet winters if soil drains well. Many varieties flower in summer and autumn, attracting pollinators. Minimal maintenance, just a light trim after flowering. Good drainage ensures long-term health. Ideal for small gardens or as colorful features in mixed plantings. Cotinus, or smokebush, is famed for its smoky flower plumes and vibrant foliage. It tolerates drought and heat once established, thriving in poor, stony soil. Good drainage is important, but Cotinus is less fussy about winter wet than many shrubs. Withstands wind and even brief flooding when mature. Shape with hard pruning for bold foliage, or let it grow naturally for a misty effect. Perfect as a specimen shrub or focal point in borders, Cotinus brings resilience and drama to any garden. Japanese maples, or Acer palmatum, offer delicate leaves and stunning autumn color. Many varieties are hardier than they look. Choose resilient types like Sangokaku or Osakazuki. Shelter from strong winds and harsh sun, and avoid soggy winter soil. Raised beds, containers, or well-drained spots under light shade work best. In containers, move your maple to suit the seasons. Mulch and regular watering in dry spells keep roots happy. With care, Japanese maples provide years of beauty, even as weather shifts. These 11 plants are masters of adaptation, thriving through drought and deluge. By choosing resilient plants, you're future-proofing your garden and making it low maintenance. Match the right plant to the right place. Drainage is key. Use gravel mulch, raised beds, or containers for flexibility. Water deeply but infrequently to encourage strong roots. Work with nature, and your garden will reward you through all seasons. Which of these plants would you choose? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more gardening guides.